Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco F7 Pro. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in that box you will find here this yellow box, and on the back of it you will have here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card if you want a second SIM card here on the back of the SIM tray. And yeah, by the way, what SIM 1 and SIM 2 is always written here in big letters. Let's start now with the first SIM card. It belongs here to SIM 1, of course. Press it a bit, that's where I insert it. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay. If you want, you can add also a second SIM card here at the back of the SIM tray at SIM 2. So same thing, so just press it well. But if you have inserted two SIM cards, press it well from both sides. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's also a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top as well. And if you're ready with, anyhow, with one or two SIM cards, you just insert the SIM tray back into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top, to the display side. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.